Bridging the Gap's a national AHSN event. We're running it in Yorkshire and Humber. It's an information provision event in many ways. We want to engage with industry, let them know some of the latest thinking in the NHS and try and help them build their products in a way that really serves the needs of the NHS now.
There are people here from the NHS, there are innovators, there are system leaders and system owners. And for me, this is a massive gathering of people who truly want to push the bar forward to achieve that mission of improving lives through digital health.
I've been invited here to give an overview of the role of industry associations and the way we can support innovators in the health tech space. I think the most important thing innovators should try and bear in mind is to make sure that there is a market for them, make sure they're engaging early on with the ultimate end users.
My role in the NHS is to look inwards and talk to clinicians, talk to nurses and talk to business managers, and to try and understand what the unmet needs are. And so once we understand that, we can talk to innovators and try and see whether there's any alignment.
The innovators that we've met so far today have got some brilliant ideas and some great concepts. It's really clear on how they can deliver patient benefit.
It's those off-the-cuff conversations that you have that might lead to help. The sessions and the conversations are just all stimulating, and then you get a lot of cross-networking going on. I think there'll be a lot of actions coming out of that.
We meet companies that we might not have heard of before, we hear about what they're doing, and we think about how all these different platforms can fit together for kind of an end-to-end journey.
To network with other innovators is always inspiring. Each one is working in an innovative area where there's an unmet need.
I think the key thing for me right now is not just the quality of the content and speakers and so on that we've heard today so far, it's the fact we're in this venue in person, which I think will help accelerate everything that we're all trying to achieve.
I've really enjoyed being at the event today. There's some really good speakers here. The atmosphere is absolutely buzzing, and there's so many fresh ideas in the room.
My hope is that we do bridge the gap. In a couple of years' time we might have some success stories where people said, well, our first conversation was at Bridging the Gap 2022 and now look at us, we've changed the way that people live.